My Schnauzer is the most active dog I've ever had. We can even make a verb out of a Schnauzer. Schnauzer this, Schnauzer that. Today is the day of the snowstorm. Pretty much a blizzard outside. We already have like 3 or 4 inches of snow. My Schnauzer wants to go outside anyway. I have to go dig out my old snow boots. Somebody decides to help. Maybe she'll change her mind. After all, there is a nice fireplace. Some of us are enjoying the fireplace, but some of us have to go outside in the snow. Some of us are also not as good on the steps that are covered in 3 to 4 inches of snow. Some of us have to go slow and not just run down the steps like others. It becomes clear that some of us also cannot hop in the snow like a kangaroo. So Stella is going to have to get released off the leash. Stella, come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. Oh, come on. Stella, come. Come here. Stella, come here. Stella sees birds around the house. She would love to catch one, but we wouldn't. At this point, this is an exercise to burn off as much energy as you can. You can run and hop, and then come home and nap and do it all over again in the evening. Come on, go. Every time Stella is off the leash, I have to gauge how far she gets away from me and how quickly I could possibly run up to her if a hawk or something was to come. Stella! She makes me nervous for a second or two, and I have to yell a little louder for her to come closer. Come here! Stella, come! I have compared Schnauzers to 2-year-olds before, and just like a 2-year-old excited to play in the snow, she runs a little closer and then runs off to explore some more. If she could go on a slide down one of the hills, she probably would. I know she would. Stella, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at you now. Look at you. Hunting for voles in the snow is someone's favorite winter sport. But Mom's hands are getting cold. Mom cannot stand there much longer while Stella is buried ears deep in the snow. Gosh, Stella, it's too cold for this. Too cold. Stella. Stella, we have to go. We have to go. Yes, we have to go. Come on. We gotta go home. Yes, yes, we do. Stella! Stella, come on. No. No more words. No, go in. Gosh. Now the trick will be to take the coat off, shake everything off, try to get this as much snow off as possible, and get Stella in the tub to wash off the snowballs with some lukewarm water. Come on. Thank you for watching. I hope you all are staying warm. See you next time.